New sword coming from Cold Steel. So, this sword was recommended to me by my friend, as he said that this is actually a good one and it's worth trying. It cost about $300. Let's see the scabbard. The nickel embossed fittings looks quite fancy. Mouth seems to be okay. Stitching on the leather is decently straight. The carving on the cap looks fine and the highly polished elements looks quite good. Let's see the handle. Pommel is secured with a nut. Handle is made of rosewood and it's very decorative. Same goes for the guards and fittings, those are very shiny and very fancy. I've seen online that this part can be broken during some branch cutting. I will test it. Let's clean the blade and wipe off those smelly machine oils that were used during the transport. Fit and finish aren't that good. I see a big gaps between the blade and the guard. Those aren't even equal on each side. And I see a little bit of epoxy or glue inside. Anyway, the construction seems solid. There is no rattling or loose movement. Edge seems decently okay, even though the grinds and finish are very sloppily done. So we have about 24 inches of 1055 carbon steel. The blade is sharp and marketed as functional for cutting. This type of swords were used during 17th century as a sidearm during hunting. And those were quite fancy. The handle, the guard, the fittings, everything looked like rich and very decorative. So the cold steel one isn't that far away. Holding it without the gloves is a pain, and stay far away from it if you are allergic to nickel. Even if the grip is harsh on your hand, the sword is very well balanced. It's light and moves fluently. The blade gets slightly thinner near the tip, which helps with the wave distribution. Okay, this is rare for cold steel, but this sword feels really good in hands. Let's check the edge. Okay, that's awesome. Yep, that's very good. So I'm really surprised, but the edge is amazing. Yep, nothing wrong to say. So with this edge and balance, this sword may be a really good cutter, as long as those shiny fancy fittings won't fall apart. And as long as you have a good thick glove. Sheath seems to be working. Its design goes well with the sword fittings. Even though the fit and finish are far from being perfect, it's doing its job pretty well. Sword retention is good. Let's test it on cardboards to see how the blade moves. As always, just a gentle tap without using much force. Whoa! That felt great. Okay, this may be a good cutter. Stabby time. That was acceptable. Nothing great, but not bad. Okay, guess I have to say it now, right? Cold steel? That sword was good. Oh god, that's so hard. Cold steel? That sword is good. It feels like my soul is going to burn. Okay, negative bias out. That's a decent sword.